Ooh, child. I done did the girl's hair. You like your hair, baby?
Mm-hmm.
You glad you dressed? You ready to go?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we got a busy day today.
Yeah. I gotta get
Look, Belle. Hello, Belle.
I'm
Hey,
trying
girl.
to get stuff to do. Bye-bye.
Okay. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 5. You guys, so right now I'm actually doing my mommy makeup. If you guys have not seen my mommy makeup, I'm gonna put it somewhere up here in the card section, you guys, so you guys will be able to see my mommy makeup because I don't actually have foundation on. But yeah, just got finished doing my brows, you guys. I used my Benefit brow pencil, you guys, and this is in the number, what number is this? Oh my goodness, okay, number 5. So it's in the color number 5. So if you guys want to check that out, I'm about to put my lashes on and do my hair really quick. If you guys see those packages back there on the bed, you guys, that's just some of the items that came from Target, or presents that came from Target. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm getting ready for my doctor's appointment, and we actually have to go and pick the boys out of school early today as well, because I do have a doctor's appointment. They have appointments as well. So let me finish doing my mommy makeup and I'll be back to talk to you guys in a minute. Peace. All right, you guys, so I am done getting myself together. Took a shower, brushed my teeth, cleaned my face, and I did my mommy makeup. If y'all hear Bella crying, she crying because she just took her clothes off and she got in trouble because we trying to go. It's 12:15, I think, and I need to go and go. Alright, you guys, so now I'm inside my doctor's room, just waiting for the doctor to come in and just see me, check on baby boy, and then I guess that's really it. Bed pushed me back here. She's like, I'm gonna ask the people, is it okay for him? But I was like, no, because, you know, we have the kids with us outside, so it was feasible for Babe just to go back out there with the children, and just wait on me. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to come and give you guys an update. Yeah. So I'm gonna sit in this wheelchair because you guys already know I can't walk. So yeah, I'll be back. Say hey. Say hey, baby. Oh my goodness, you guys. I am 24 weeks and 4 days today, guys. Yep. So yeah, almost 25. I can't even believe it's starting to fly so fast. I'm just not ready to part with him. Alright guys, I got my labs on. And baby's sleeping, right baby?
Yeah, go ahead.
We are gone. We are done. My appointment didn't take that long. How long did my appointment take? About an hour?
An hour and a half.
Maybe an hour and a half, yeah. So yeah, we're gonna
Have a nice day, man.
bye, have a great day. Thank you. So yeah, we are out of here, you guys. It feels good out here today, y'all. I thought today was gonna be cold, but it ain't cold. Honey.
What's up?
I love you, baby. Yeah, I'm back in the car. When I tell you, that was a struggle to get in here.
Oh, I see.
But I'm in here now, y'all. Say hey, Mel. Did you have a good day at school? Are you glad today is Friday?
50-50.
And boy, please, I'm glad, y'all. I'm glad today Friday. That way I ain't gotta get up in the morning. Cause I'm like, Melvin! Right, Mel? Hey, boy. What, baby? What? Bella, what are you doing? Why are you not in your seatbelt?
I just scratched Bella.
Buggy, did you scratch her? Yeah, don't scratch it, baby, okay?
Okay, Mama.
Oh, my goodness.
Tell Mama.
Oh, my goodness, Belle.
Hey.
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 All right, you got to sit down. You got to sit down, okay? So we on our way. We're at the gas station right now, but we're on our way to take the kids to their doctor's appointments in a minute. So I'm just glad my appointment is over with, y'all. I had to get blood work done, blood work drawn, you guys. Other than that, baby boy is doing really good. His heart rate was at 130 beats per minute. He was so active. He kept moving, y'all. So, and he's still active right now. I got my ice on deck. About to, like we said, like I said, I'm about to take the, we are, I can't even talk. Man, you watching your mama stutter over here, boy. But no, we are actually about to take the kids to their appointments. I'll talk to you guys once we get there. Hopefully, I'm hoping I don't have to take all 6 of them inside the building to get no flu shot. Hopefully, they'll come to the car because it's just too much. Because I'm gonna send Bay up in there. Okay, peace.
Mama.
When I tell you the older kids, y'all, they gave us a freaking fit. They all got their flu shots, thank God. I wanted to record, let's be honest, but it was just too fast, and we had to hold everybody. Oh my God, man, how you feel about getting your flu shot? Like, what was you thinking?
It was gonna hurt, and it was gonna stick me far.
Oh my God, y'all should have saw them. I wish I would have recorded it because it was a hot mess. Babe just took Bug into the doctor's office, as you guys saw, because he has a physical appointment that he has to physically go inside the building for. But for the most part, all the other kids got their shots out in the car, thank goodness. But yeah, other than that, we're just gonna sit here and wait for them to come out, and then I'll talk to you guys once we get done. Whew. Y'all, I'm back home. My phone had went dead. Hey, baby. Thank you, baby. Yeah, look at my belly. You guys see my belly? Look at that belly, y'all. Huge, right? No. Anyway, you guys, the kids end up getting their shots. Landy Pooh got her shot. Oh. Landy, did you get your shot today? Yeah, Landy got hers. Buggy got his. But y'all, the phone had died. I'm about to eat me my dinner for the night. We're just gonna eat some leftovers for the night. Really just wanted to come and say good night. I love you guys. Hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you guys are new, then welcome to the family. I love you guys, and I appreciate each and every last one of you. And I'll see you guys in the next one.